Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the position of columns as well as rows in your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to that example table here, and let's assume I would like to remove or change the position of row number 15. This is how you can do it. Simply hover your mouse over the given row here to the left, and you will see the cursor changing to that hand icon. So when that happens, click into it, hold your left mouse, and simply drag your row to its new position indicated by that gray line here on your document. So let me move it to position between 24 and 25. Release your left mouse, and that is going to move the entire row. And you can do the same with your column, guys. What you want to do is simply clicking into the given column. Then the cursor will switch to that hand icon, click into it again, hold your left mouse and simply drag your column to its new position. And release your left mouse, and that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.